Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm here to show you how to download Coinbase Wallet on your Android smartphone. First of all, what is Coinbase Wallet? Coinbase Wallet is the most user-friendly self-custody experience, unlocking the entire world of crypto at your fingertips. With it, you can store and view all of your alternative crypto coins. To download Coinbase Wallet on your Android smartphone, first, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, I have a stable Wi-Fi connection. After confirming your stable Wi-Fi internet connection on your smartphone, go to your Play Store. Once you open up Play Store, tap on the search icon and search for Coinbase Wallet. After the search results appear, click on Coinbase Wallet, NFT and Crypto. You'll see an Install button on your screen. Tap on Install, and Coinbase Wallet will be installed on your mobile phone. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, it might take a bit of time to install. As you can see, Coinbase Wallet has been installed on my smartphone. Now, you can open the application and use it to advantage to store and view all your alternative crypto coins. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update from our videos. Drop a comment for more reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.